Hello, beautiful people. Hello, foxes. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Welcome to another episode of Zero Fox Given every Mondays. This is episode 20, and I am Tina.
Hello, I am Zai, and with me is Maggie.
Beautiful. Wow. Hello, everybody. And yes, welcome once again. We have a very interesting topic tonight. And it's quite different from our usual topic because, yeah, we like different, different topics. So, yes, we will be talking about what are we going to be talking about tonight?
We're going to talk about cats.
Wow. So, iring-iring sa takaron, guys. And so we're gonna be talking about unboxing the gift of cats because our theme for the whole of December is gonna be all about unboxing the gift. And today we will be unboxing the gift of cats because Zai has it was actually Zai who gave this idea to feature our fox tribe immortals, gods and goddesses, no, who likes cats. Because we found out there's a lot of us who enjoys cats, and they always post their cats, and so
Yes.
yeah,
So foxes love cats.
that's a thing. And so we want to know more about our cat lovers who are also foxes tonight, and we'll be introducing to you. We have four beautiful guests. And yes, we will be introducing them to you one by one, one by one
Yeah.
together.
So, umpisahan natin sa contestant number 1.
Sige.
Saan pa introduce? Okay, she is um a beautiful, lahat sila beautiful, a beautiful friend of ours. She is she's very she has ilang cats meron ito si Madam? How many cats does she have?
Sino unahin mo? Sino, madam?
A.
Avi. A man daw.
It's me. Wala like A.
Wala laing A. Si Avi na. So yeah,
A.
ano, um, on the cam. Turn on your camera. Tin, magic show.
Yes.
Hello.
Hey,
It's wonderful to be here. Thank you for having me.
We are so honored to have you here in our space.
Do I go to the question or should I introduce myself?
not yet. You just wait first for a moment, Madam. We shall introduce the other 3. So next candidate. Candidate number 2.
Okay, candidate number 2 starts with the letter D. Wala, duha na sila, pero D.
D. DF.
DF, para sure. DF po itong isa, so sige na lang. So DF, Darlene Faith. Ayan. So she's my sister and also a beautiful creator of Fox Tribe. And she's also she's also one of the social media manager of Love Your Freedom. Ayan. Isang ano niya, of the Crown Ambassador Neng Suelto. Darlene Suelto, ayan. Yay! Welcome.
Huh?
Your cat big.
Cats are so big, yeah. So our next guest, Shani or Zai, would you like to introduce our next?
Yes, our next guest. Sige, yung name. Starts with letter J. Tama. Kay S man itong isa, di ba? Letter J.
Yes.
Yes. Ito yung habulin ng mga pusa din. Ladies and gentlemen, from Digo City, Davao del Sur, please welcome. Ikaw na mag-welcome sa kanya.
Jabel. Okay, turn on your camera. Welcome, guys. Siya yung gumawa nung video na me and my
Mimi. Wow.
and my
Sorry.
Hindi mo
Oh
tag-anak
my
nga
God.
video. Like, me and my kape. Wah! So, sige, go. Nakabuot na to, oy. So anyway, ayaw na to kalimtan ng atong fourth and beautiful guest. Okay? She is
Yes.
from the land of Tago. Okay? And we have our fourth beautiful guest, Don Sabio. Ayan. She can say Sabio. Hey! Welcome, Don.
Hi. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Sana daw mga
Cat party.
cat party today. Ayan. It's always a ruckus with cats.
Tapos na yung iro.
Sagad
Okay,
kayo.
dagat po silang dogs. So, yes, welcome. Again, there's a cat of Aki. So you will see Abby's cats.
Ayan.
Sana to si Kat.
Ito na, kasama na natin ang ating 4 special guests from different places in our country, Philippines. Our first question is question number 1. First question is question number 1. Lain po. So, how many cats do you have at home? And what are their names? So, memorize nyo ba ang mga pangalan ng mga pusa nyo? So, let's start with letter A.
Yes, I have 6 cats. From oldest
Six.
to youngest. Do I have to say their names? So I have
Yes,
Mayor,
please.
Tia, Honeydip, Butternut, Herm, and Bean.
Wow, ang cute naman. Pero si John Mayer talaga ang favorite ko.
Yeah, they're all sleeping.
Yes. So, there you go. So, Abby has 6 cats. Who can beat that 6 cats? Darlene.
So, dito sa bahay, we have 5 cats. Namely, magkapatid is RG, GL, and Cumin. So, yung tatlo. This is RG, GL, and Cumin. And then this one is Yoda, itong other side. Ito pala. And may kapatid siya also, which is, we call her Lassie. Si mama nag-name, Idlas. Because hanggang ngayon, hindi ko ma-touch. Hindi ko siya hindi ko makuha kasi tumatakbo. So yeah. So we have 5 cats. One is basically still not domesticated. Tama ba? Kasi hindi ko pinapakain ko lang but I cannot touch the little one. So yun, cat
So, Abby is asking here. Nanay Spirulina. Na cat.
Wala pa si Lina. Wala pa si Rosel.
So next, thank you, Darlene. Amazing ang 5 cats. But you started with 1 or 5 na diretso or nag-anak-anak pa sila?
Ilahang mother jud ang nag-adto dire, and then dito pinanganak yung tatlo, si RGGL and Cumin. And then there's still, I think, di ko balo sa ilang age, but pinanganak sila pandemic, like the start of pandemic. Nagkairing ko during pandemic lang. and kanang nag-stage yun sila sa balay. It's the first time na I stray na nag-stay jud. And yeah. So wala pa sila nanganak. Kay gagmay pa ang babae. Puro lalaki ning tulo. Itong first three. So,
Uh-huh.
all boys. Except this Yoda.
Si Yoda ang girl. Ikaw, Avi, puro ba sila lalaki?
Kompleto
Yoda
na
girl.
sila through. So, wait. No, sorry. Wait. I'm confused. I am confused. No, 3 girls and 3 boys.
Wow, maayo pagkahati.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Three boys. Yeah, so thank you so much, Darlene, and thank you, Avi. Next is, nasaan na si Jabez? Family planning.
Hi. Okay, how many cats I have? First, si Mengay. She's a girl. She na gani girl pa. Tapos, si Kwaknit. And then, I had Chinkoy. Pero namatay siya, kaya naligsan siya last month. And nanganak si Mengay last month po, ug duha. So, yun. Pila na to? 1, 2, 3. Ikaw ka pala
4
mag-count.
na.
Murag,
4.
5. Taro na ba?
5.
4.
So, we got cute sa names. Uy. So, ang dalawa.
Ang duha? Unsa yung name sa duha? Sorry,
Okay.
wala.
Wala pa? Wala names?
Naana, si Feta o si Gama. Ako friend
Oh,
ko, yeah. Gi-follow na ko. I like it man po.
oo, social na si Beta o si Gama. Dili na kinkoy kwakni.
Si Kwakbit lang good kay nakuha na ko siya. First na ko siya nakita is sa taas sa tree. So, siguro murang ko siya Kwakbit po tong nawong tong baby pa siya. So, Kwakbit yun.
Na-happy po si
Katawa si Maggie.
Wow, kalingaw. So, yes, thank you, Chavez. Ka-cute si mo mga cats to. Teta, Gama, o si Mingay, and si Kinkoy. And ang ating pang-apat, si Miss Shil. Hello, Ton. So,
Hi! Hi, Ate Guaps. Nami tulo ka iring. Isa ka lalaki, si Maxi. Female, yung isa si Maxima. Wala mo yung kabalong sa pangalan, basta kay babae man siya. Yan, naman siya anak. So, Maxi, para Maxi nga mama. Teka na. Then, ang iyang baby, si Kitten, kay si Mingsing. Oh, si Mingsing. Oh, tulo lang siya. Tulo lang. Kay si Maxi Magud nakakapon na. So, dili na siya makaproduce. Kapon naman siya para di daw maglatagaw. Mo na suggest sa mo ka. So, para di siya mawala sa mo. Mo na to, follow na lang po na mo. Para ano. So, yun.
naka-family. Nag-family planning na pala sila.
Oh, naka-family planning na
Nakapon
si
na.
Guaps.
Lingap. So, thank you so much. So, si Abby has 6, Darlene has 5, Jabez has 4, and Don has 3. So, Sunya pa rin. It's 6, 5, 4, 3. Yeah.
Wow, without
Yay!
Yay! Hindi na plano. Sunya pa rin.
Kanya pa rin.
Baka sa inyo siya New Year dalawa. Yung sa yung nasa bubong. Diba may 2?
Oh. Basta
Ate, ada pa na lang to.
Awesome.
Si
I love
Maki.
the Kalingaw sa ano, oy, I love that it's 6543. Wow, so easy to remember. Kung magpa-quiz taon niya, wow, ma-remember good siya. What if na day tayo raffle tonight, 'di ba? Maybe it's fun. Is it fun? So, our next question. Thank you for all your beautiful answers. Thank you, Shanyu Rizai, for um doing the intro question. Our next question for our mga Miss Universe. So our next question is, what's your cat story and how did you start liking cats? Are they strays? Did you adopt them or you bought them? So what's your cat story? How did you begin? So let's go start with Avi.
Hello, thank you for that wonderful question. Um, uh, so my cat stories, ang first two, they were given to us. The next, so that's Mayor and that's Chia. Um, and then there's Honey Dip and Butternut, the two twins sila. So we saw them. I was getting a haircut, and then nasa box lang ba sa gilid lang good. Tapos by the street, ang ano man good, if you find like kittens mga young pa, don't get them right away. Wait for about an hour or so. Kay magbalik mo ang mother cat ana, finding food for them. So after nahuman ako ang haircut, after an hour po siya, pagtanaw na ako, wala na ang cat, ang isa sa ilaha, na nasa ilalom sa gutter by the road. So ano ko miyaw, gamiyaw miyaw, na ako madog naggamyaw. So ko abi na ko na siya sa road, nakapit maligsan ba. So pagkuan mo na siya sa ilalom, so had to lift the para makuha siya, and then ako nang split second decision like saman kwaon na to ni dili ako na. Then we got the box, we went to like a nearest pet shop to get the milk, kay lahi man ang milk for kittens or for cats or dogs. And then si Herm, the fifth one, our orange cat, the feistiest one, ano lang siya, nara sa may gate, nagatang sa mua. And he was like, literally couldn't see pa at the time. Kay, covered with ano ba. So got him. And then ang last one, si Bean. Si Bean, na-adapt po na mo siya from one of the Facebook groups. Kaya nagpa-adapt good, kaya makita nila na ano. And then, ang funny thing about him was, nakuha siya, kay nakakabit day siya sa hood sa car, from Parañaque, ang biyahe, magikan Parañaque ang car, and then nag-travel all the way to Pasig, murag Toril to Victoria, ana, kalayo. So, naara siya sa hood sa car all the time. And then we got him kay it appears that ang naka-find sa iya kay murag not that experienced with raising kittens ba. So yeah, so we adopted all of them. Adopt, don't shop.
Yes, adapt, don't shop. Thank you for that. I think everybody here is also of that kanang advocate of adapt, don't shop. And I love your story about just meeting them on the road, or kanang you met them and ganahan ko sa tip that you have to wait for an hour. I didn't know that, so at least now we know. So thank you for that beautiful kanang share and story, and at least we know ba yeah, how did they find their way to you, and you just receiving them in that space. And thank you for that. Thank you for taking care and being with them. Thank you, Avi. Next we have Darlene. What's your cat story? How did you acquire cats or have the cat?
Thank you for that question, Paras Cat. Abby, I'm following her. So, yeah, ang question diba was cat story and if they're adopted also. Tama ba? So, yeah, I think adopted niya mo. So, ako adjong gialagaan is their mother, na buntis at the time with RGGL and Cumin. siguro nagsugod siya og sulod sa balay mismo kay mangungkab is tong February this year. And so ako siyang ginapakaon. Ginaalaw lang po na ako siya mag-play sa sulod sa balay kay naman ko kay habit na gina-open ako tong screen door sa likod because para makaagi ang hangin. Kay mas gwapo ang hangin without all the screens. So mao na siya, nakasulod siya. And actually napatay sa among dogs ang mother sa tulo. So siguro ano pa sila ato, gipanganak sila diri jud sa balay, ang si RGGL and Cumin. And during sa kanang infancy nila, siguro nagapangita og food ang mother, tagaan man ako siya og food, pero pag pag pregnant, I realize dapat mas sige ka maghatag og food. So nagngita siguro siya og food, and napaak sa mga hero. So we have 5 dogs at home. So yeah, so moto. And anak ko maakuha na lang yung tulo ka miming. And yeah, so moto antud karon they're still here, but wala sila naka-cage or anything. Free jud sila to go around and go their way, but I always provide them with food. And also cat story, I think that's my cat story. They came to me during the pandemic, the start of pandemic, kanang we're not traveling, na ako'y time to actually, be the number 1 poop scooper. So I'm their number 1 poop scooper. So when I poop scoop, I think of money. So okay lang sa ako. So ang gastos food na ako, ang namo is actually sa ilahang cat litter because there are 5 cats. So that's a lot of that's a lot of ihi and poop. And I clean that out around at least 2 times a day, or if not 3 times. Okay. Yeah, so ona ilahang that's my cat story of how I met these cute little things and how I learned to appreciate cats because before this jud wala jud ko'y idea. Until now I still don't have like professional know-hows about cats. I just go with what I know and just let them be. So pag mawala man po sila, di manon ko makulbaan, pero mangita ako. Mawala ang isa lang na siya mawala eh. Like 2 weeks or pila ka days. So that's it. So thank you for that question. I didn't know I really like talking about cats.
Yeah, because you have been spending so much time with your cats, and every morning, it's one of the reasons that she wakes up early. So, because the cats will wake her up. So it's their very good contribution to her. So, thank you for sharing your beautiful story about how you found them and how you began to start liking them, and at the same time taking care of them. Because having pets is no easy thing. It's no easy thing. So yeah, what else is possible? Thank you, Darlene. Next we go with Jabez.
Hi. So yeah, I like animals jud kadaghan, so but I did not have the chance to adopt cats before because of our dogs kay they will kill the cats. So yeah. So katong anak ko diri sa Digos, ang vacant lot mangud nang dito sa tabo sa tabo. So ginalabayan siya og cats, kittens. And then one February just this year, naay si Meow Meow. Yan ato siya diri. Nya si ate ang una nakakita ato sa iya, tapos gitawag ko niya, "Bes, may pusa dito oh." Tapos ano gawin natin diyan, makapatayin niya ng mga aso. Tapos gikuhan ako siya. And then gidala na ko sa kapitbahay kay naamong kay mga cats dito sa kapitbahay. So basta gilaha ba naglaag-laag lang. And then nibalik man gyud siya, nya dili gyud siya mahawa. So yun, si Mengay to siya. Siya ang first cat diri. She's a girl. She na po. And then next is si Kwaknit. Kato na to, tong giingon ako kaganina. Sa taas siya sa punuan ako nakita, sige yaw. And then gi-adapt na lang po na ko siya kay naluoy ko. And then si Chinkoy, same food. Nato lang po siya diri and then mga siya food. So tagaan ko and then nagstay siya. So itong unay, dili pa siya magpagunit. Pero later on, nangamon na siya. And dapat ay isa wala na mention ka ganina to si Happy. Remember, ipakita na ko siya before sa tea time ba to? Or sa atong Wednesday na na Zoom call. Nawala siya, but then tung last month, naglaag sila ata sa friend ni Kuya. Naa siya dito. Nandako na siya. Like, yeah. Nalipay ra po ito. Abi na kung namatay or something. So, buhi siya. Happy kayo po ay buhi siya. So, what's meant for you won't miss you good. Dito lang po sa iya ang life. Dito, parang siya dito sa bata. Kay love naman siya sa bata dito. So, yeah. And, nanganak si Mingay. Si Tita si Gama. For a month yata, dili sila magpagunit. Kaya gitago po sila ni Mingay. And then karon kay magdula-dula nami. Pero naa sila dito somewhere. Usa pa ba yung custom? Maulan to, puro sila adopted tanan.
Wow. Thank you for sharing that. I like the, ano yan, what's meant for you
Won't miss you.
what's meant for you won't miss you. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. So what's meant for you won't miss you. Awesome. I love that. And I like I think if we have to start a story about you, the title would be It Started with a Meow. Kasi nag-meow-meow lang ang mga earring. And then so it started with a meow. So awesome. I love that it's also kanang you just, receive them when they are in your space. Thank you for that, Bez. Thank you for sharing your stories with your kittens and cats. Next we go with Dawn. Ta-na-na, Dawn, what's the story of your cats? What's your
Well, thank you for that wonderful question. Charot. Ay, sunod-sunod na. Well, ang story sa mo ang hearing. Actually, dili ko fan of miming since elementary until nag-college. Actually, 2017 lang ko na ganahan sa iring. Pag-abot ni Maxi. Giano lang po na siya kanang gipambitbit lang na siya sa actually tulo sila kabuok. Gibitbit sila mama diriya sa balay. Wala mi kabalo kung asa ni gikan si Maxi. And then sa tulo, nakay ko'y ganahan katong black and white kaso wala man siya napabilin si Maxi man niya. Di ko ganahan niya kay ugaw wala na gani. Aw kakol pa dali ka nang basta daghan ko siya muta pa. So dili pa ka siya limpyo ba nga earring. And then moto nga kanang anak ko ay dili ko ganahag iring kay mangambras kay nakambrasan lagi ko kay pag once gani matapakan ilang tail so dis lang ganahan so moto nakambrasan ko kaya sugod ato nga time dili na ko ganahan pero pag year 2017 yata to ni abot si Maxi moto na murag ganahan man ko siya kay dili siya lungkaban pero kung kaon siya mura siya magpahibalo gani sa imuha kay like basta na siya yung mga signs nga gutom siya like then pag inom po siya tubig moadto lang po na siya CR nya pag makakuan siya kay mahibalo na mi nga ay need niya water kay moadto lang siya iyaha maning kamot gani siya so wala may labad sa iyaha until ning abot ni si Maxima actually sa amo na siyang neighbor sa auntie namo pero mga pandemic time April wala man sila. So, ning-transfer si Maxima diri sa amoa. Actually, wala pa siya pangalan. And then, pag abot ni Maxima diri kay nahibalaw na mo nga, buntis day siya. So, gi-feed ina na mo siya, ikaw pakaon lang, until, wala na, nagpuyo na siya diri. Hindi na siya ganahan balik sila sayang ipuyan. And then, pagpanganak anak niya, gitawag na muna og Chucky ang una man yata niya nga anak si Chucky. Kaso namatay siya kay mahibalaan day sa mama nga iring once nga ang anak is dili magdugay. Kay maski asa nila dalon, like murag sila na lang instead nga mamatay lang ang kitten, ilahang bitbiton maski asa. Tingala mi nganong iya man ning iksaka sa bubong, maski ulan kaayo isaka niya tapos amuin pong inaog, iyan na pong isaka until nga namatay. And then namin nabasahan nga ang mama daw nga iring kabalo sila nga mag-suffer lang ilang anak, murag ilahan na lang gani sila na magngitag way nga unsa ni matay ana. Whereas kaning isa na mo kato si Minsing mo another puto niya nga anak nagdugay mo good siya until now so kami kaya pala kay wala mo good siya kanang diferensya gani sa mata, unlike si Chucky naagid to siya diferensya si ang mata buta ang isa. So murag pamino siya sa mama nga iring dili gyud siya magdugay. Pero kani amo si Minsing karon nagdugay mo siya nga ginahan pud mi kay baby, maski baby pa siya inanak siya kagamay ahaman to kay ano siya kanang liksi kaayo siya like kana gani tapos even taas kaayo maambak na niya sa kagamay niya ana. So wala mi labad sa iya ug ganahan pud mi kay dili pud siya ingon nga kanang maski asa lang gani libang like kana. So makahibalo mi asa siya malibang once nga dito na gyud na siya permanente kana. Pero naman galing mga places nga kana mahal siyang bantayan kung asa pud siya lalo na kay kanang they are makawala gud sila stress like kana anytime every time nga pag mag-abot ana sila magkadal-kadal sila sa amo or kanang mag-touch sila sa amo ang mga sa body nato like they are greeting good they kanang nagapakita sila kanang hello kanang nagpapansin gani nga may nana nga klase in which makawala gyud siya stress. And sa among mga iring karon although kay mig mga pets no daghan pud mig iring pero makalingaw man good nga although sahay manglungkab kay gutom na. So pag once manglungkab mo gud sila gutom na gyud sila. So kami nga so kailangan gyud sila kanang tarungon gyud sila feed-in. And ang kanindot mo gud nila lalo na pag nay mga daga ganahan kayo kay wala jud magpuyo sa balay nga ilaga pag naa sila ay grabe ka mga active kaayo sila. So thankful gyapon mi sila life. So kailangan alagaan gyapon sila. So yun. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you, Don, for sharing that story about your 3 cats and how they came to you. And siguro ang title sa movie mo is One More Chance kasi hindi mo sila gusto at the beginning. So second time around, okay, one more chance. So thank you kay Maxima. Ayun, 'di ba? Kay Maxima and then kay Mingsing. Ayun. So, yes, beautiful stories. It's really interesting to be learning about this and to be hearing from different stories of our cat herders this evening. And thank you, Don, for answering those questions. Next, Zai will ask the third question.
Yes. So the third question for tonight is, what's the gift that's bring to you and for you? So we'll start with si Don na naman paatras. Ikaw pa rin, Don. Ikaw pa rin.
What's the gift of our cats? It gives us
Yes.
security. One is security. Security para sa mga ilaga. Like, kaya syempre, kanang, mawala ang mga ilaga pag naa sila. And then, another thing is, makalingaw sila. Ngayon, nga, maski ingon ana lang sila di ay, naa sila kanang contribution para sa ato ang nga tao. Dili lang yan kay pet lang sila, like kanang animals lang sila, pero they have really the kanang dili lang pud ingon nga sa butang ta malipay, sa ilaha pud ang life. Then kana siya happiness, kay makawala gyud stress pag kanang wala na while maski maggunit-gunit lang ka sa ilaha, then kana ang sa pamanha ang gift nila is lalo na pag kana ganing makabalo sila pag ikaw lang like ano gani nga mo na-argue sila permente mo if ever nga murag naglingkod lang ka kanang mukalit lang pud gud sila, they have that feeling siguro nga lonely kay siya like ana, pero great contribution gud ang animal sa ato human nindot gud sila kanang contribution sa ato so ana security and happiness ako ang makuha sa ilaha, so yun. There you go.
Yes, thank you for your wonderful answer. So, security and happiness. This is my cat. This is Maggie cat. Hi. So, yes, thank you, Don. Ganahan ko atong security para sa mga ilaga. I wonder. And so, next, let's hear it from Jabez.
So yeah, the gift of cats for me kay first is companionship. Just pinakauna. Una kay Mengay, sinasamahan niya ako every time, like pag magpuyat. Or pag magpuyat sa madita. Joke lang. And then like for mag-encode, pag nearing cut off, naagit na siya pirmi. Exactong nanganak na siya kay mas priority na niya yung mga ano. Okay lang. And unsa pa ba? They can feel na like what Don said, when you're sad, they can feel it and i-comfort ka nila in their own way. Like kay sa cats, among cats, kay Kwaknit na mo siya mas napansin na quality. Like tong si ate, na i-time na nahadlok si ate tong something na bogus threat. Giduulan din siya ni Kwaknit and pila ka minutes to or almost an hour, nagsabak na siya kay ate. And then tong medyo na okay na si ate, nihawa na po siya. So yeah, amazing kayo. And si Mengay is medyo ano siya medyo maarte siya na meaning, but she will sweet good siya. And kanang nice kaayo kay every morning mag-greet. Dili kayo halata like other dogs na gyud, but kanang pag na niya na ko magpakita na siya, magtutok na sa kuha, pero kanang kailangan ako gito magduo sa iya. Kuan kaayo kanang royalty. And unsa pa ba? Like ato po tong ingon ni Don sa mga ilaga na wala gid ang mga ilaga diri tong naana sila. And sa pa security put in a sense sa energy. Ma-feel na ko na it has been lighter yun when we started having them. Or of course nakatabang ang sunya ang access tools na to, but I feel na dako po silang contribution energetically. So yun, murag-orat akong maisip ka. Thank you.
Yes, that is wonderful. So very common is security and of course comfort, because these are animals. They can feel or they can perceive energies, especially ang cats, diba? So thank you so much, Jabez. And next, yes, mga familiar. So yeah, they sa ako lang pong nabasa, maano lang po daw siya kanang ma-attract sila sa imuhang energy. So that's why magpa-adapt sila sa imuha. So these are familiars. And then if kanang mahuman na, mahawa na po sila. So we don't really own the cats, but the cats own us. Yes. So thank you. Now let's go to Darlene.
Yes, thank you for the question. So ito, the gift of cats, for me, Jud, dako silang tabang. Karon na siya term, gamiton ako ang term sa Access, which is lowering down barriers. I also feel this with the dogs, but it's also it's a different, lahi po siya when automatically nag-lower down akong barriers when with the cats. For example, mag-away man ni ate or suko or I had a bad kanang I woke up at the bad the wrong side of the bed or something, and sila man ako ang first like chore. First thing ako ginabuhat jud is i-prepare ilang food. So sila akong bungad ba. So automatically naa sila effect sa ako ang like part sila sa ako ang murag mental health or something unconsciously. So yeah, that's the gift of cats for me. And also also they're so weird, the cats. Because ingon si ate repeatedly na pag na ako magsaba sila, pero pag wala ko sa kusina di sila magsaba. So I feel so acknowledged sila. So karon lang ko na realize that's the gift of the cats in terms sa ako because si mama po, that's what she also says, na pag magkasakasa daw siya sa kusina, di man daw magsaba ang mga iring. Pero pag ako, morag, automatic sila mag-cry na bago lang man mo nagkaon sa iyong gusto mo. So, mao na ilang gifts ako. Aside sa katong rat killers, tinood na. Rat killer sila. And cockroach also. Daghan ko makitaan cockroach sa balcony na wala na. They're gone. And and unsa pa ba? Basically, they're a big contribution sa amoa, sa family. And I think what if I think sa later question ni siya, later na ako so, so happy na lang ako i-answer ang wala pa na question. So yeah, so mao ang gift of cats sa ako. So thank you.
Thank you, Darlene. So, yes, maybe it's true about lowering down the barriers pero ako ako iring. Na ako iring though, kani siya. But not the pure meow meow. Okay, kalaban sila ni Sky. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for that. It's really wonderful that they acknowledge you. They go crazy when you're around. Habulin ka talaga ng mga pusa. So, ayan siya. Thank you so much for that, Torlai. And next, let's have Abby. Siya ang
Hi.
sa maraming cats.
Yes. So the gift of cats for me, so para lang man sa uban pod, also the gift of calmness, I guess, being grounded. So like you said, na pagka nang nakauban nimo sila or you're in the room, you're pag uli nimo kay pagkita nimo sila ha, like kalit lang na ano ang vibration sa imong body na ki-level na sa ilahang vibrations kasi they have their own vibrations mo naga-pour sila, di ba? And muna usahay pag I'm not sure if nakabasa pud mo ani, but since different frequency ang ilahang vibration, pagka na nagapatong sila sa imo and they're purring, they're actually trying to heal you sa ilang vibration. So mauna usually sila, di man sila mupatong sa kuha to heal me, mupatong sila sa kuha to tell me to get up and prepare their food. So, which is every morning, naadyo isa sa ilaha. So, it's so, mo na isa pud ka funny thing kay kanang the gift of constant amazeness or always in constant awe sa ilaha. Kay I always see their different personalities. So when malingaw, siya. So it's a constant amazement for me. May kana nang isa, na constantly magmata sa kuha, tapos na isa na suplado. So it's also different personalities ba na malingaw pa. Also being mindful or mindfulness, how? So kani siya, na props. So the gift of mindfulness, like in the sense furniture, sa mga furniture, mga gamit. So you have to be mindful of what you need to buy or to get. So kailangan careful ka sa mga gamit and stuff. Making sure na kanang lagi cat proof and kanang dili ka basta-basta mag-spray. Like karon di ba kailangan mag-disinfect and stuff. So it's harmful for them. So dapat wala sila sa area jud, as in if kailangan nimo mag-disinfect. And then nurture. I think that's the main thing ever since I got them. So dira na ako na discover na I have this ability to not apart from heal, but kana lagi mag-nurture og cats and then plants and then amazing. So I'm a nurturer. And that's all. Thank you.
You're a cat mama.
7 ang tato. Actually, technically 7 among cats kay na-stray sa gawas. But dili pa siya comfortable come in. And I don't think welcome na siya inside kay na-influence niya tong isa sa amo ang cats na mutakas. Pero kato siya among constant visitor. We call him Lemon and then we found out na babae dai siya. So maging Lemona na siya. So more or less si Max tapos na yung Maximo. And then so tadara siya sa gawas. Weird mong ang color, like mura siya dili siya orange, it's somewhere in between. So mura siya lemon. Mura siya kaning sa right side nimo, Dar. Kasi ba ni? Oh, kana siya. Ana. Yes. Mura siya ana na color.
It's brighter than ours.
Yes. And that's all. Thank you.
So, wonderful. So, you are all, kung naay mga plantita, kayo yung mga cat mamas. O, diba? What else is possible? And yes, of the gift of nurturing. And it's like awakening the divine feminine within you also, because, mothering or becoming a parent, becoming a mother to these living beings is also a wonderful gift that these cats bring us. What else is possible? And yes,
thank you for that. Thank you for that, Shanyor Zai, for facilitating our questions for tonight. And yes, we're nearing our show because it's 8:55 and there's another show coming up. And so we cannot ask all the questions tonight, but we will just ask everybody to give their final message. Like, what's your message to our audience? Just a short, quick message about if they're getting a cat, like, just encouraging everybody. Or if they have a cat, what do they do? Or any message that you will, final natin a message for tonight. So, yes, let's go with Avi. Na tayo? Reverse.
Raise hand down ako. So, if you're getting an indoor cat, if pang indoor lang jud siya, you have no plans of putting it out there, you have no plans of letting it multiply, spay and neuter. Kay if wala kay plano na i-keep yung babies or you don't want them to get preggy, it's best na spay and neuter kasi it hurts them, especially when they're in heat. Una, magsaba sila. Kasi saba kayo, especially the female cats. So they're really gonna be noisy. And you'll feel na kanang it really hurts them. It really hurts. So, and then find your nearest vet as much as possible. Basta ka ng for emergencies and whatever, it's always best. And ano kanang if you were gonna give milk, make sure it's not kanang milk na ginainom na to. It should be milk for them. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Oh, also, dili na ka-allowed to move pag nakapatong sa imo ang cat. You're not allowed to move anymore.
Beautiful tips, Avi. I mean, those are, points that I don't know also. So it's really lovely. Thank you for giving us those beautiful tips for future cat herders and for current cat herders who does not know about all these nitty-gritty details. And yes, mag-open daw mo og group chat, diba? For that. So that you can contribute to each other and enjoy, cat herding. Thank you, Avi. Next we go with Darlene.
Okay, I think just follow what Ate Abby said. I mean, that's also something new for me. Pero murag nagaingon naman to si mama na iya spay ba or spay and neuter ang 5 or ang 4. I'm not so sure. And timing, we also have sa kanto nag-open ang so tawagan na doctors for pets. So I think when you want to get a cat, be ready, be responsible. I think that's the key. Be responsible and having a pet is a responsibility. And siguro at first you don't feel it, but you will. And just be ready. And yeah, and they're a big contribution, Jude. And okay, and yeah, that's my final message to everyone who would like to have a pet or a cat. And thank you. I think it's Kita natin.
Yes, sige, pasa mo ang bola kay.
I will roll the ball to Jabez. Why?
So, I think naingat naman na Ate Amy o ni Darlene. So, ang ina naman ako is, if there's a cat nga na ato sa imuha, I think it's a blessing and the universe sent it to you. Just receive them na lang. Dili man na lang, receive them. Receive all of them. They will be a big contribution sa iyong life, and then they chose you actually. Just like kisa kita naging kaganina that when pag ang cats mag-ato sa mga sila nagpili sa mga kay they don't normally like to just be around anybody. And yeah, just love them. And they will love you too. So, yan na lang. Si Don na next. I-catch na ang ball, Don. Where are you?
Nakamute si Don. Don, are you there? Mute ka.
Ay, yun. Message for all pet lovers and sa mga gustong mag-alaga ng mga pets like dogs or cats, especially cats. Always remember that all creatures, great and small, they have contribution to us. And how do we treat our pets is how do we treat ourselves also. So if we love ourselves, yun mag-manifest po siya lalo na sa itong mga pets na ginaalagaan. So yun lang siguro ang sa cats is avoid silag mga raisins like still the same sa dogs food nga. Bawal sila raisins, onions, garlics, dili sila pwede kay maka-allergy mag-cause sa ilaha og kanang sakit pod. So if namin mga naiiring or iro like ana, so pwede po siguro mag-ano ta mag-research kung unsa po the best thing kung dili man ta expert para sa ilaha. So if kana natin mga kaila, like sa ako nami kaila nga kanang kuan po siya sa mga animals, so nag-ask me o unsay pwede para sa iring or para sa among iro kay for syempre madali lang sa makalingaw sila sa atoa. So in return kung maunsa pud sila ato pud tong kanang responsibility. So yun. Yun lang. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you, Dawn, and thank you everybody for tonight for sharing all those beautiful tips on how to not how to but how being with cats. I think this is how what everybody is doing, being with cats. You're not just doing things for them, but you are totally just being with them. And actually there's a question here ni Fanny about how to communicate with cats. So let's have that on the next session. Meron tayong episode 2 next year for our season 2 ng Zero Fucks Given for the cats because it's a huge topic di ay. We didn't know that we unboxed a big one. And thank you again for everybody who is watching us right now. Thank you to our 15 million viewers kanina na naging 10 million now. So hello to Tita Jerry Alianza who's always watching us. Last time we weren't able to greet you, and congratulations for ranking up to be a gold diamond. And Tito Herbert, ayan, the father and mother of Jabez, ayan. And of course to the ladies, Hannah, Fanny, and Ate Jenny for always watching. Aisha, Tito Arman, and Tita Merlinda Roa of Zamboanga. And who else is watching?
Roa.
Yes, Tito Arman and Tita Merlinda Roa, yes. So thank you, everybody, and we honor and acknowledge everybody who's in this call right now. You have been a great contribution, and yes, thank you, Darlene, Dawn, Avi, and Jabez. And Zai, you...
Yes, thank you so much. And yeah, if you have if you are if there are cats who want to come to your house, to your place, it, yeah, tama yung kay Avi kasi here if you don't feel like feeding the cats, then and if you don't want to raise a cat, at least feed them just outside your gate or wherever. I have a neighbor. He feeds also the stray cats outside, so it's really wonderful. Although kalaban siya ni Sky, but you know, it's also a nice act of kindness. So yeah, again, adapt, don't shop. Thank you so much. So this has been Zai.
And I am Tina, and thank you for watching the Zero Fucks Given. Next na lang ang raffle because we're running out of time. See you. Blessings, and have a beautiful week, everybody. Thank you to our beautiful guests. Blessings.